Mame Mao Aquaba and found Bragan and Sam TVGH so what friend me Ajoa searching.
What believe Kelvin Dela? Oh, I'm for Yansha editing a girl on aye.
Katachi Kelvin Taylor on Pebble on Pebble. And when your party, I almost soon him dear, I will form no dinner aquadon. Now we are dear Bokro no. Will be a watana bruchre so many years. Timmy Casheries will be dressed in a twatted or dress a twatted. American was an wumpy on ye juma. When ye she and a baby, the year Dianaki to have been what you consul be a cusisio. No swally a chrono azan, the nim jefu sabody a yin yeto. And now what is your no one NDC for no crown. With me who know our with me a free minister Sifuni between Gasa walk easy. When Tiasi and to my council, my baby count once and my baby demo near cuckoo scanner the amano. When ye Juma da, Sako in a bear and one say, Yalia Babonu be willing to quack and accounts. Now we knew one city could them. At the chest of one fessica at one fat. I've been a part of the peace cannon. To one pebble, 1 year Juman and Savi, on 5 year Juman. When I've been say, we bid you one I've been home. Nivia sim one for quam passo. I'm Pewsika, a show. Sam Quasiam Penny, I'm sorry, I'm so the son. Azar Chrono, oh, Adia Oye. Adia or TNDC party more Oye. On one NDC for one becana someone, Kaubisu. And Yamini Bitriana Kakana about Bonatenanam.
Or embassy. So mostly either you qualify yours as consular or embassy. Any one of them. So yes, a Ghana embassy in US shut down over corruption scandal. Is Okuja to black one normal? Like honorable minister, with the greatest of respect, are you normal? You shut down a whole. So it's like saying let's shut down the government of Ghana because there is corruption. Because Oko a consular, Oko embassy, it is presumed that it is the government of Ghana in that nation. It is a woody bonny be Nasi ye Pawacho. No Jania even Ghana embassy no a walla. The walls of Ghana per Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations. A warning in Ghana. Oko Italy. Baby, even the ambassador on it, it is not considered Italy. Baby ambassador here, it is not considered America. Baby ambassador here, Ghana ambassador here, England. It is not considered England. Ghana. By diplomatic relations, baby a Ghana as consular na embassy biano, and by diplomatic relations, a by now or Cosiano, say America, say Ghana, only can be as without their permission. It's Ghana embassy in Washington, US embassy, US government. We need to be a embassy because that place is considered a Ghanaian soil. Though it's US.
Exactly.
So Oko a embassy. Do they issue only visas? No, they don't issue only visas. Exactly. Beyond issuance of visa.
Exactly.
It is a no kuja tobe kachere say. A year obi ako creative website. Our website, you know. Oh yeah, a lead to an own website, and for that matter, we'll closely a year the whole embassy down. Come and tell us that no person will use microphone flow because we did some MP before. Now person don't call for sure. Don't come and tell us. And on top of it, he's declared. All of them say they should come back home and declare them persona non grata. So when we say somebody has been declared as persona non grata, it means on the home state, you know. So there be a home state and a host state. So Ghana is a home state for a year the embassy of US and US a year the host state. Now when you declare one kasa, there is diplomatic immunities. Obi a year diplomatic agent. Say we year ambassador. Say we year more consulate. They are immune from even bonus. They cannot be tried in that state. They must be brought back to Ghana by virtue of their diplomatic immunity. So the moment you declare those people persona non gratis, what you have told the host nation is that those people, you don't care about them anymore.
Exactly.
So how can a foreign minister be so reckless? Say you born in the water, say you sorry. Foreign minister say, "Well, who corruption war a year a foreign affairs you can say embassy in US and for that matter we're closing the whole consulate down. I can't tell them for no makan so munkofi now omo makan so are you normal? How do you behave like this? Is this diplomatic relations? And Mr. Minister, you are no more in a campaign mode. First of all, say we a Minister of State for the Foreign Affairs. The way our baby behavior should be different. And yet then still I would do personal Facebook page and announce a official name happy war. What kind of nonsense is this? Fire. Minister of State official duties, official releases, and you are using your personal Okujetwa Blackwa page to release official information about a whole ministry. Mr. Minister, what kind of craziness is this? And then the so in effect, we key the social media handles of a year, the ministry, whilst or using that to build on what kind of nonsense is this? So Kofi, Oko drew consular, Omo issue visas. Not just visas. Say Intel, your friend be picking of Intel. US embassy omuhai. And your man is issue visa magana omuha. Beyond that, they pick Intel. They exchange note verbals with a nation. You can note verbal. Say BBC quickly or met me alert. And beyond that, it is the duty of the embassy to take care of all Ghanaian citizens in US. So aside the issuance of visa, aside they say omo epic Intel, because here BBC or Washington, that's a Ghana for beya. If we be spying, nation be a just that obia to me now should nation be a spy on another nation. Say they be obey me a pick security intelligence. So omo free be a opinion jurist. Opinion jurist in here say ade anyamra. Nemo mu ye nyina ya gya tum si ye yenti no abeye by convention. Nemo medru spying na. No nation want to accept that he is spying on another. Eti wo behwe na French ambassador ye otwa mu yi. No any musicians ye free. No any one mu ye free. They thought they like she likes them. Onya so like you. But oni mu di nkomo a obe pick intelligence nketenkete bi na o feed man ni home nation. It is our embassy, our US. Now see my shutting it down. Are you normal? Because of corruption. What is wrong with us? So now who is speaking intelligence from Washington to Ghana? When you have shut down the consulate or the embassy, who is speaking intelligence from what kind of nonsense is this? It is a Ghana near watching this here or Washington. One closing it down on and by virtue of a diplomatic relation, Ghana knew what children as what me by a Ghana embassy one within the period now was shutting the embassy down. She said Ghana knew what children what kind of recklessness, and you are behaving like a dictator. Meanwhile, you were a foreign affairs minister. Kofi, your friend be diplomacy. When you talk about diplomacy, Zwai law, a Chinese general be a worker, what can be? Because diplomacy is the continuation of war through other means. So what do you do? Onyema must be on the table. Obia ya corruption. Processes ben wa faso. Wa friend on the table. Ma hwe ni nyina. Ana won sie ntimi so be. Fire. The last resort should be this keka kind of doing things. More fire. If you're a diplomatic agent and the number one diplomatic